Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. There was festivity and fanfare on Duke Street for the ceremony. Supporters of both parties were out in their numbers. Romarda Lyons has that angle.
Behold, the Met Gala of politics. The runway, Duke Street, but no red carpet. Hair, dresses, earrings, all politically influenced, and brace for this one.
Yeah, I'm time for the election here, 1 PMP, I say. I 4,400 for it.
Again, time's too hard, but it's never too hard for her to show support.
Big up Andrew Owens, all of the MP them, I love you know, Debbie Burr. This I come from straight Debbie Burr. We have the green carpet here from the Prime Minister walk on and the MP them walk on. Andrew Owens is a good man. Him give house, him give road, him give water, him look for all people.
The march in from both parties, Avengers proportions. The JLP enjoying these days of their lives, the PNP feeling bold and beautiful. And for the younger generation, at least one classroom empty at St. George's Primary and Infant, students here looking on. This PNP supporter says the orange is far deeper than the fabric.
From a band, me as a PNP, until now me have 59. And it's look good that PNP has done. Post from Michael Man, the PJ, Portia Miller Simpson. Portia Miller Simpson coming where I love PNP. Portia Miller Simpson take we for a mother and make her have a room for herself.
To her potential suitors, be warned.
The first commandment, if me talk to a gen command, I ask him background, and if him is a labor right, me and him never get along. Because from me I grew up, come up, me know that labor right is not for the poor.
An 89-year-old in the midst of the festivities, she pulled her mask below her chin to profess,
I love him, that's why I came out here to the 89 to support my Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew Owens, and my leader, Desmond Mackenzie.
Die hard. This JLP supporter took it to the head.
Madam here for Brogan, third term, and I travel from all the way from St. Thomas to witness the third term of Brogan swearing. Third term.
This man also journeyed from St. Thomas, but for a different mission in a different color.
I wake up from early, but at least, you know, the road not too bad. We reach within 45 minutes from Morant Bay and to Kingston here.
You had to be here.
So I have to be here.
And the younger voters just as enthused.
This man is showing us that he can do it and he's doing it. So I have to be here for this historic moment for the Honorable Prime Minister, Dr. Andrew Owens. Shower!
Big up yourself, Marky G. You are my Prime Minister, you are my MP. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel all right. Big up.
Representatives of both parties loving the support.
They're out, from across Jamaica, they're out in their green, they're out just celebrating the victory, celebrating the return to Parliament. It's a good feeling, but also one that sends a clear message of great responsibility.
And excitement and an energy that makes me feel so good and loved and welcome. So today when I showed up, just the energy from the people and the supporters makes me just energized to be here.
And she's often in a box at the top of your screen. Even she's moved by the passion of the people.
It's always such a great feeling, to see that the politicians, they get support, because I can tell it's not an easy role, it's not an easy job, and I think Jamaicans were so unforgiving at times, not recognizing that it is a difficult job. So it's a good vibe on a day like today, and looking forward to the parliamentary year.
Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.